All right, tech enthusiasts, let's talk about AssemblyAI. This isn't your grandpappy's speech-to-text software. Think mind-blowingly accurate transcriptions, even in noisy environments, with multiple speakers and in multiple languages. We're talking about a game-changer for anyone dealing with audio or video data. Think podcasts, YouTube videos, even those chaotic conference calls. AssemblyAI is making sense of it all. The visuals here are going to show you some examples of the different applications AssemblyAI powers. From real-time transcription in a busy call center to a reporter quickly generating a story from an interview, imagine the possibilities. They're not just stopping at transcription. They're adding speaker identification, sentiment analysis, content moderation, essentially a whole suite of audio intelligence tools. This isn't just about converting speech to text. It's about extracting valuable insights from your audio. And frankly, that's pretty awesome. One of the things that sets AssemblyAI apart are their universal models. We're talking serious breakthroughs in speech recognition technology. They're universal. One model blew away the competition, achieving mind-boggling accuracy and speed. I mean, 60 minutes of audio transcribed in under 40 seconds? That's insane speed. But they didn't stop there. Their newest release? Universal 2. Even more accurate, handling even more languages flawlessly, and more resistant to noise and accents. Imagine the possibilities. Transcribing interviews in multiple languages with perfect accuracy for a documentary, generating subtitles for international audiences, providing real-time captions for the hearing impaired. The list is virtually endless. In this segment, let's take a look at some bar charts illustrating the improvements in word error rate, and some side-by-side transcription examples comparing Universal 2 to its predecessors. Amazing progress. Before the Universal models, AssemblyAI had another huge hit, Conformer 2. This model established some serious industry benchmarks for accuracy and robustness, particularly in those tricky, noisy situations. Think of a crowded bar, a windy outdoor setting, or a bustling office. These environments create all sorts of problems for ordinary speech-to-text programs. Conformer 2 is different. A key technology they developed at AssemblyAI is incredible. It helps the model filter out the noise while holding on to the clarity of the speech. The graphics here will show you a visual representation of how Conformer 2 achieves this, filtering through background noise to deliver a perfect transcription. This is a critical leap because it makes AI solutions viable in a wide range of real-world applications that other solutions just couldn't handle. This is where AssemblyAI truly excels, practical application of cutting-edge AI. Okay, now things are getting seriously exciting. Meet Lemur, AssemblyAI's large language model framework. Lemur is not just about transcription. It's about connecting the powerful transcription capabilities with the amazing world of LLMs. What does that mean? Think about this. You upload a podcast, AssemblyAI transcribes it, and then using Lemur, you can ask questions about the content, generate summaries, automatically create chapters, all with a few lines of code. It's like having a super-powered assistant for all your audio and video work. But that's not even the best part. AssemblyAI also seamlessly works with other popular tools. The integration with Zapier is a game-changer for automation. Now you can automatically add subtitles to your YouTube videos for improved SEO visibility and accessibility. It's like magic, only it's powered by brilliantly crafted AI. The visuals will show you a real-world flowchart of a Zapier workflow, showing how a video file uploads trigger the AssemblyAI transcription and then exports the SRT file to Google Drive, effortless streamlining of the whole process. Amazing! Now, let's talk about something incredibly important. Data security and privacy. This is a topic many of us are quite concerned about. How does AssemblyAI handle sensitive information? They're taking the issue very seriously. They offer encryption, role-based access controls, and clear data retention policies. It's not just about ticking boxes. They're deeply committed to maintaining the trust of their users. They're transparent about their security measures, frequently undergo audits. They are SOC 2 Type 2 certified, meaning they meet stringent standards for security and data privacy. We're not just talking buzzwords here. It's clear they are going the extra mile to keep your data safe. This segment will visually explain the key aspects of AssemblyAI's data security framework. We all want to use secure and trustworthy AI, and this is exactly how it should be done, ethically and transparently. AssemblyAI recently secured a massive $50 million Series C funding round. You know what that means, right? More innovation, more awesome AI models, and more resources to bring this incredible technology to even more people. This is huge investment into a future of streamlined, user-friendly, and accurate AI for many enterprises. Excel, a major player in the investment world, led the funding, along with other key investors. It's a clear indication that the market sees the massive potential of AssemblyAI's technology, and I sure do too. In this segment, we will look at a graph that details their impressive funding rounds, showcasing their phenomenal rate of growth and the confidence investors have in AssemblyAI. What else is in store from them? Dylan Fox, AssemblyAI's CEO, articulated a magnificent vision to build the Stripe for AI models. Think about that. An easy-to-use, scalable platform for accessing the cutting-edge AI tools you need without the hassle of building everything yourself. It would be an extraordinary revolution for the development world. This is a future I'm incredibly eager to see, and I am extremely positive about the chances AssemblyAI have of achieving it. So there you have it, folks. A deep dive into AssemblyAI, a company that is not just improving transcription, but is completely revolutionizing how we interact with and extract value from audio data. This is a truly remarkable company with a seriously awesome team behind its amazing achievements. If you're a developer or a business that deals with audio data, I urge you to check out AssemblyAI's website and explore their API. I'm truly excited about the future of AI, and AssemblyAI is playing a massive part in shaping that future. What are your thoughts on AssemblyAI? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.